Alrighty, today we're going to talk more about solving problems from a story. So we have to listen closely to the story. These are called word problems. And we're only going to the number 5, so we know all how to write those numbers. We are familiar with them. So listen to the story and we're going to solve it. 3 children are riding their bikes on a trail. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3. The first thing we do is write the number 3 because there are 3 children riding bikes on the trail. Now listen to this part. 2 more children join them. So we're going to draw 2 more children. I'm just going to draw circles for my 2 children. When somebody joins into a group, we put an addition sign or a plus sign. So let's put a plus sign here. 3 plus. How many children are joining them? 2. Very good. Now think about how we've been doing this. 3 plus 2, good job, equals. 3 plus 2 equals. How many children are riding bikes on the trail now? Great job, 5. You guys are really thinking. You really have to think hard right now for these problems, don't you? It's not real easy. You have to really think about it. So let's turn over the page. And we have to be good listeners. So we're going to work in this one up here, just where the tent is. So listen carefully. It says, think of a group of children and some children leaving. So we're going to think, how many children are we going to use? Let's start with 3 children. Hi, Aiden. How are you? Good. 3 children are at the tent. So we have to think about that. Then we have to write a 3 because we drew 3. When we take away, we use a minus sign. So let's put a minus sign here. 3 minus. Let's just take away 1 child. 1 child is leaving. So we're going to put an X on 1 circle. 3 minus, we're making 1 go away. 3 minus 1 equals, how many children are still at the tent? Good job, 2. Excellent. I'm going to leave these a little longer so that you can think on your own. So think about the next one. Here's a barn. And we're going to use an addition problem now. So let's write about kittens. Let's start with, we'll do 3 kittens. So let's do 3. 1, 2, 3 kittens. The first number we write is 3. Now addition means somebody's coming to join in. So 2 more kittens come. Remember, when we join them, we put a plus sign. How many came? 2. 3 plus 2. What's the sign that goes in this circle? Just like it is up here, equals. Very good. 3 plus 2 equals, how many kittens are there now? 5. Excellent job. Let's go ahead and get the next page out of your book with the squares on the butterfly wings, and we're going to listen to this story. If you need to push pause, go ahead and push pause. There are 4 children eating lunch at the picnic tables. So I'm going to draw 2 here, 2 on this bench, and 2 on this bench over here. So how many children are there? 4. Listen to the next thing. One child leaves. So we have to put an X on it. One child left. So when we take something away, we have to use a subtraction sign or minus sign. 4, take away 1. Good job. 4 minus 1 equals, how many children are left at the table now? Good job. 3. Excellent. Now go ahead and turn your page. Listen to the story. We're only working up here in the yellow rectangle. That's where we'll be working first. 4 children are setting up a tent. So let's draw 4 children. The first number we write is what we just drew. How many did we draw? Right, 4. Now we have to take some away. 2 of them are leaving. 4 minus 2, because 2 of them are leaving. 4 minus 2 equals, how many are left? Good job. Now we'll be working in the orange box. There are 5 children visiting a barn. So let's do, what do? We draw 5 children. Next thing we do is write the number, correct. 5 children are visiting a barn. 2 children leave. So if we put X's on 2, we have to use a minus sign. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Good job. And, oh, we finished that page. Good work. If you need to push pause at any time, you may. Go on to the next page. Ooh, the marker's coming off on the next page, isn't it? So we're going to be working in the purple box now. Listen to this one. 3 children are hiking in the woods. So let's draw that. How many? 3 of them are hiking in the woods. Good. Next thing we do is write a 3. Listen to the rest of the story. 3 children are hiking in the woods. 1 more child joins them. So if we're joining, we have to use a plus sign. Put a plus sign there. Let's read it again because I forget how many it said. 3 children are hiking in the woods. 1 more joins them. So we have to write that number. We drew 1 more. 3 plus 1 equals, how many are there now? You're getting so smart. Look at you. Now we're going to work in the green box. 1 bear is catching fish in the stream. You knew that, didn't you? What do we do now? Write that number. 1 bear is catching fish in the stream. 2 more bears go into the stream. What do we do? Somebody's coming to join, so we have to put a plus sign. How many were coming to join? So 3 plus, I'm sorry, that's not a 3. 1 plus 3 equals, how many bears are in the stream now? Very good. Great job. Turn your paper over. So let's see. We're going to write about some people camping. There are 2 people camping. What do we write on the first line? Plus 2 more people come to join them. Excellent. 2 plus 2 equals, how many are there now? Wow. You are so smart. Very good. Now get out the page that has the P's on the butterfly wings, and it would be the black and white pages inside of the book. We're going to work where their swing set is. There are 3 children at the playground. So first thing we do, you're right, is to put those 3 children at the playground. And write the number 3. Good job. 1 more child comes to join them. So if somebody's joining, what do we put here? Plus. Very good. 3 plus, how many more come to join? 1. Very good. 3 plus 1, you're getting the hang of this, equals, how many are there now? Good job. 4 are left. Good job. Now let's look down here at this one. Oh, it looks like they're playing, there's a bike rack. There are 5 bikes in the bike rack. So let's draw 5 bikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What do we do next? We have our drawing, but we have to write something now. Good, 5. 3 children get on their bikes and ride off. Uh-oh. So they get on their bikes and they take off. So if they're taking away, good, we have to put a minus sign. How many left? Good job. 5 minus 3, good job, equals, how many are left? 2. Excellent work. We have one more side to do, so let's flip that page over. 3 children are riding bikes. 1 more child comes to join them. Mark beside the equation that shows how many children there are now. So there's 3. We have to look for a number 3. There's 1. Oh, and there's 1. Listen to the rest of the story. 1 more child comes to join. There's 3, and then there's 1. And how many is there now? So 3, 4, and 1. Which one of these is it? Somebody's coming to join. So we have to look at these signs here. If they're joining, you use this sign. So this is the one right there. Now listen to this one. Some of the cubes in the cube train are red and some are blue. To show a way to make 5, color 1 cube in the sentence red and color the other cube in the sentence blue. Okay, so if you color, I don't have red with me, I'm sorry, I'm going to use black. 1, we'll pretend this is red. 2, 3. 3 are red. And how many are white? Good. 2 are white. Excellent. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.